I'm going to my rooftop. It's snowing crazy. February 9th, 2017. The snow blizzard in New York City. You guys ready? I'm definitely getting sick. People are having fun right now, and I'm up here on the roof with my camera. I don't even have the freaking tripod. So today, I don't think I could shoot with my drone because the wind is blowing way too hard. God, it's so cold up here. Okay, I gotta get back inside, so it's so cold. The wind is blowing me away.
Nasıl bir Udgar mı? Ha.
Fakat benim poçişim de duruyordu.
A počeš?
Asista pasım bir
Okay. So here I am, bro. Director second. This is my buddy right here. Trying to shoot shit. So we trying to fuck. Yeah.
Here with the big guy, tried to shoot the drone. What happened, man? We couldn't fly. It's too windy out here.
My hands. Oh shit.
Oh, my hands too. You guys remember how crazy cold it was? It's sunny now. Isn't that crazy?
Crazy, man.
It's warm and sunny today.
Shit.
It's all the weather, like
New York.
literally all the weathers are combined in New York. Like you could have a winter in the same day, spring in the same day, and the summer. Or fall. Like look at this. It's sunny now. Let me introduce you to these youngsters who can bump up the bike wheelie. You know, like bump it up. Bump it up! Yo, what's up guys? What up? Play some poker?
Yeah, gotta make some moolah, right? or lose some moolah. That's
Or lose
reality.
some-